divided it as bold scene, yeah, kya. For me, it was the character, and the character was difficult, definitely. And but only like I think till the time I didn't get her. Once I got her, then I was shooting for Sarika, going back, doing my work, coming back, playing Sarika again. So then it was not so difficult. But yes, sometimes, I mean, the dialogue scenes were more difficult, to be honest. Definitely, I mean, but again, in Chak De, like we were supposed to be, you know, like a certain way. Zyada familiarity ho jaye to bhi mushkil hai. So, you know, so yeah, so, but definitely, like we partied a lot in Australia, I remember, and we worked a lot. So yeah, my chemistry with him is like I will never forget the first time. Like the first line he ever said was like, you know, actors like Amir Khan and Manoj, you guys think a lot, you know. So he's like, and then I remember him saying that, you know, what he does is make love to the camera. So you know, there were certain things which he said and which always remained with me, and what people say about his energy, everything is so true. And yes, his like I was somebody I thought, no, I will never be hit by his aura. Till the day I did the final scene and I was like, boss, I can hear violence, you know.
So now tell me actually and honestly.
Ask my fitness regime from the time I started. I was 72 kgs. Okay. Then for my first film, Khamosh Pani, I became 67 kgs. The regime was that when we went to Pakistan, me and Kiran Kher, we were asked just to eat boiled chicken, nothing else. So both of us lost some 5-6 kgs together. After that, for Chak De, of course, it was a total sports person, diet, play, the entire regime of it. But उस time Australia जाते ही looked at muffins and hot chocolate, and so it was difficult. I would not, in Chak De I could have been more fitter, is what I feel. But I tried my best. For a BA pass, I think I was doing martial arts and I was gymming. So, and I also started meditating. So I'm sure it was a 3-in-1 effect. Definitely Shah Rukh would, you know, say these 1 or 2 lines, which, and again, me as a student, I'm somebody who will not nag the teacher. You know, I would rather watch him and learn. So I think Shah Rukh definitely, like whenever I needed to, like I remember one day I was stuck with the stupid question of continuity, you know, in my life. I'm like, you know, that wo scene Argentina match mein, I don't have the bandage continuity. And I could not sleep all night over that, you know, and next morning I go to him and I'm like, ye ho gaya na, continuity, because we used to freak out. So he just looks at me and he's like, kuch nahi hota, you know. So anyway, so he was always there. Like, you know, there was this one girl who had to do this fall and he showed her like 11 times how to do it, you know, the technical way of it. So all of that, he was totally one of us, and that's why we were able to pull it off. तक कभी मेरे ऐसे अनवेलिंग की नहीं है कवर पेज की, और बहुत बड़ा दिन है, होता ही है. मैंने मतलब ऐसे कभी सोचा भी नहीं था, काम करती गई ऐसे सोचा नहीं था, पर ये मौका आया तो हाँ, मुझे भी नहीं मालूम था कि मैं रो पड़ी. एग्जैक्टली, मैं फिर से रिपीट करूँगी, मैंने कुछ बहुत अच्छे कर्म किए होंगे कि मैं यहाँ और मिस्टर नारी हीरा से मिल रही हूँ, क्योंकि ये लोग मतलब क्या बोले ना, दे हैव सच पावर, यू नो, एंड आई एम ओवरवेल्म्ड बाय दिस. देखिए, मैं एक बात कहूँगी कि उसमें हमें ये हमारा इंटेंशन क्लियर होना चाहिए कि हम वो किस मकसद से दिखा रहे हैं. अगर हम इस मकसद से दिखा रहे हैं कि हम ऑडियंस को ले जाएंगे, भटका देंगे, इतनी पावर हमें होनी चाहिए कि अगर हम उनको वहाँ ले जा रहे हैं तो उनको सलीके से वापस भी ले आएँ, उन्हें बीच में छोड़ नहीं देना चाहिए. तो रिस्पॉन्सिबल जॉब तो डेफिनेटली है, पावरफुल है सिनेमा एज अ मीडियम. तो ऑफकोर्स जैसे BA पास के साथ वो चीज़ नहीं थी, वो सोच ही बदल जाती है आपकी टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ इट. तो कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए.